Does the targeting even matter anymore? Are we just in an era of Chad targeting?
Ooh, this one I had such a strong opinion on coming into the last year, and then Andromeda happened and people started buzzing about it's not going to matter anymore. I think that here are the two different ways. If you're going to go broad and targeting doesn't matter, you need to be tight on your exclusions. Because to me, if you give up Facebook all control, Facebook's incentive is just to align the
user experience.
Yeah, user experience. And why? Because of, stakeholder interest. They want to make more in ad revenue. And because they've sold out all of their ad inventory, typically, if they have any new placements like threads or anything else, and they're turning on advanced placement targeting, they're just trying to sell all their inventory. Ultimately.
Right. So
going super broad to me is
but what you're talking about is placement
and targeting.
Right? So like, let's say, okay, you do feeds only or stories or whatever.
Okay, then
so I have
placement control.
How much control with targeting versus just pure Chad broad targeting are we looking at?
Generally speaking, people these days are going broad targeting, and I think the smart ones are excluding every week. So you go broad, no targeting. If you're going to go that approach, it's not my favorite. I still prefer to build off of interest, to do my target market research and have guesses as the hypothesis.
Yeah.
And I'm testing a lot though. That's where I like my complexity. If you're going to focus all of your time on creative and not do a lot of targeting, all I ask our media buyers is let's exclude targetings that don't work every week.
Yeah.
Cool.
Well, and how do you determine the targetings that don't work?
You got to have some test budget.
Some
you got to have test budget. So I'm okay with going 90% broad on everything, but let's test something that's targeted and then either add that as an exclusion or even a custom audience as an exclusion. If that didn't work in the last week, we're going after IG engagers or anything like that.
And how much do you think targeting could affect lead quality? Or is it more performance?
Significantly.
Do you think it can be is there anything I can do with targeting, let's say, to increase my lead quality?
Yeah. There's a tool called Magix. It's spelled weird. It's DGICX. I actually ran yours through it. I'll send you some after.
Okay.
It'll make targeting recommendations based off of and I don't know how it does it, but about 8 to 9% of all Facebook ad spend the world has is run through Magix. It's kind of a layer on top of Ads Manager that's just smarter. It's expensive. But I use it to determine my interest targeting roadmap. And not even interest targeting, but a bunch of different stuff. But targeting affects lead quality pretty significantly. And I would never just give Facebook blind trusts in 100% of our ad spend. Right now, though, we are like 50%.
So what does Magix do?
Magix is, I don't even know what they would call it, but a better ads manager is what I would call it.
Okay.
It filters things faster. It basically cuts the media buyer's job in half every day to me, as far as the complexity of it.
Right. So it's like an interface for media buying.
It's an interface.
Great. And what is there, like better targeting options in there? Like what's the
There's unfortunately not better targeting options that I know, but it cuts
recommendations
through the noise. It does make recommendations, and it gets you to make better decisions, because all media buying is a product of just making slightly better decisions than your average media buyer. So it'll give you recommendations on targeting. However, if you start broad, that's why I hate it. If you start broad and 100% of your traffic is broad, you never get to analyze these segments of targeting.
Okay.
Because everything is just, it looks mixed in Magix even.
Interesting. Interesting. If you enjoyed this clip, you can check out the full podcast by clicking on the screen right here to check out the full episode.